chickpeas.
and bay leaves.
Chickpeas in the pot with two tea bags, a teaspoon of salt, some bay leaves, and
Nick, do you want to try the mango
Cumin.
pickles?
cumin.
They are strong. They are very strong. Are you?
Half
Well-
a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Not even half. I will say 1/4.
All right.
It's 2 cans, two and a half cans basically. But I will send you the proportions again. Actually. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. Very little.
Oh, that's the one that we got from you.
Dried pomegranate powder.
Dried pomegranate.
This is the main ingredient of chickpeas. I mean, not in all regions, at least not.
Wow.
Only in Mexico.
How much turmeric?
1/4 teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon.
How much water? Just to loosen it?
Just until the top of the chickpeas.
Oh, okay.
So it's that's it. Now, let's turn it on. Medium heat
Mm-hmm.
and pull on the lid. Forget about it for a while.
I love it.
Yes.
Yeah. And also we're getting ojo rotis because I can't stew rounds.
It's filling up. Beauty.
That should fill the bowl.
Wow. That's nice.
Infusing the masala.
Separated the Chana Masala into a dish and frying some onions with some ghee.
Yeah, and I also added a bit of ghee on top of this one.
Oh yeah, nice. Ooh la la.
Just like a quarter spoon of turmeric.
Turmeric, yeah.
If you see the onions are just melting away.
Mm-hmm.
Bit of ginger garlic.
Turmeric and ginger garlic, yes.
I would say 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons.
Okay. Oh, that smells nice, eh?
It was in Mexico?
Yeah. And then after the interview, the guy added me on Facebook. And I was like, wow, I guess this is a good time.
He's asking whether-
Of course, lots of coriander.
I could see the consistency. That's how I measured it. I would say like 2 tablespoons. Okay.
Oh, looks good. That's good. That'll give some good spice.
Yeah.
I remember last time, it was pretty spicy. Wow, it's such a rich smell. Ginger powder.
Just on top of the chickpeas a little.
Pomegranate powder. That's something I'd never think about. How much of that would you put?
I would say 3 tablespoons. You can smell it now.
Right away, yeah.
3 tablespoons.
Okay.
See, Rosa, you don't see any onions or tomatoes. It's like a,
Makes it itchy.
yeah. Tons of water.
Just a little water, loosen it up.
Loosen it up, loosen it up. Just a hint.
A hint of cumin.
Yeah. The only difference between paneer butter masala, what we made, was very little. We were adding very little. This we are adding a bit more because look at how much chickpeas are there to get that masala overall. I'm cheating here a bit so that the oil should ooze. Dried fenugreek leaves. Are you hungry next?
Yeah.
It's like when it's gonna done.
Couple teaspoons.
Half a teaspoon. I just added half a teaspoon because there is already 2 teaspoons here, right?
Oh, that's nice.
Now all the spices we add, now we'll dilute it with water.
That's fantastic.
So how to say it in English? Compounded esophageal. It gives like a hint of flavor. That's it.
Just
You
a
don't add
touch.
more, just a touch.
Little coconut rice, samosa, Chana Masala on top.
It's like a roasty because the water got burnt. It was actually maybe it's yellow pepper. It's very good.
Good job, man.